Yeah, so let's start again. Okay, hello everyone. Thank you so much for being a part of live session today once again. As we as I'm doing the live sessions every day, every weekdays. So yes, things are a bit ugly as I have just shared my as we have just discussed yesterday. Uh, I have uploaded a short form video. If BTC will fall down to 95,000 mark, then the next could have there is a support at $90,000 support right now. So and now it's right on the top of $91,000. So yeah, things are ugly for now. But yeah, but still in our hands, we can do what what we do is, you guys know already. We are just trying to open a safe positions every time, and if things get strong, so what my strategy is, everybody knows that now, the people who are just following me. So yeah, things are in the favor. So I am just going to share you the screen just in a while. Meanwhile, let me just okay. So yeah, before we start sharing our live session, our trading screen, yeah, let me tell you guys, crypto is a very volatile. You guys have witnessed the volatility just like in few days. So as we have just discussed, like uh, on Saturday, that if the Bitcoin price stays above like 95,000, so maybe it can go up to like $100,000. If everything goes right. But things were getting ugly. Trump is just announcing the tariffs on almost eight European Union nations, uh, countries. So uh, just because Greenland uh, issue is in the process, so things were just people just traders are a bit I must say scared of that thing. So people are just trying to liquidate their accounts. So yeah, that's it. Moreover, what's going on here? What we do is BTC is just $90,000, just just right now just above $91,000. So it went to like 90,600 mark, which is not a good sign for the long positions. Of course, it's not a good sign for the bull run. So which we were expecting. Okay, maybe the bull run is here. So guys, do your own research. Don't follow my trades. I am just trading the pairs in front of you guys. I have a very big portfolio, so that's why I just keep myself safe. I try to make myself safe while performing the trades. So yeah, that's what we do. And moreover, there is a link in my bio. You guys can click on that and join the WhatsApp channel as well, and TikTok and YouTube channel as well. Moreover, there is a link of LBank Exchange. You guys will be able to grab a 50 free USDT upon registration. So it's a free thing. You guys can enjoy that upon registration on LBank. Okay, so what happened today? Let's discuss that. Um, okay. Okay, so let me share you my screen right now. Okay, let me just set up my screen so you guys will have a better view. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you my screen, my other screen. Okay. Mm, with the camera. Okay. Okay. So yes. Uh, Let me just set this up a little bit. Uh, what's wrong with it? I hope you guys can see the screen in a better way right now. Mm, okay, that's the better view for the charts. Okay. Okay, so yeah, you guys can see the BTC. Okay, let me set this up for YouTube as well. Uh, I hope you guys can see right now. Okay, so yeah, these are the things which are going in to be. So BTC, why BTC is just falling down? Let's talk about that. Of course, there are various factors uh, which are just affecting the market. People are just like, did I miss any message? No. Yeah. Okay. All right, guys. You guys can see now that's the 5 minute time frame of BTC movement. And why BTC is moving down, there could be a like various reasons for that. Of course, it's a volatile shift, and there's a trade war in the market, and people are just uh, there are like more than $8 million just got liquidated yesterday. Um, yeah, alts are pumping. Yes, you're right. But I must say, if you have just seen the BTC move, so BTC just fall down a little bit, but alts are just stable right now. So because alts have already just uh, observed the shock of BTC dump yesterday morning. So I think that's a good sign for alts, I must say. Uh, Now it's the time. But let me show you my yesterday's trades, which I just opened yesterday. I told you guys like I will close all of them in positive. I was so sure about that of the market movement. So you guys can see these are if you can just see my screen. Yeah, all of my trades just went very well. So I just opened like 6 positions yesterday, and things went well. So you see, just made small amount of profit in every day, like $20, $50, $70, $60, $40, and what was it? 19, 20, yeah, and 60, $70 almost. So yesterday I made almost like 200 and something, like 30, $40. So okay. Uh, Thank you so much for your like. Um, so that's I it was possible just because like if you have a bigger capital, so you can keep okay, if one of the trade is stuck, when I have one trade stuck since yesterday, but I'm very good. I have a very good hope. Like what's your strategy? My strategy of opening the position or taking the trade, actually I do a short-term scalping. I prefer to do that, close my trade like every day and try to close all of my trades every day. So that's I preferably doing the short-term scalping, but sometimes your trade gets stuck. I used to open my position with 1% of my capital max. I have a very bigger capital. If you have small capital, you can use like as much as you want, but not recommended like more than 5% of your capital in just a single trade. And preferably 10x margin is good. But I I do that like 20x, 25x, which is not recommended if you have smaller capital. Um, my account size is good. Yeah, I have gained a lot. Thank you so much for following as well. So my account size is tens of thousands of dollar now. So it's like it's good enough. I have gained that doing like compounding since last year. Yeah, so that's why if I open with 1%, that's my target. My strategy is if I'm losing a trade, so I have another 1% to do the DCA, and if everything goes wrong, I close my trade like negative 2% of my capital every trade if any trade goes wrong. So this happened with me like 6 times now, and there is one more trade stuck. Even it's still not like 2% of my capital. It's just near to 2% of my capital, but okay, that's manageable. It's already on the lower side of its price. So I think things are going good for now. Even yesterday, I have made $240 almost, which is not even 1% of my capital. So okay, good enough. So trying to gain small instead of losing all. So that's my strategies. Well, how do I enter the trade? There are like sometimes various factors. Following the trend, seeing the RSI, moreover, like sometimes jump into the running candles as well. So which is not a good thing actually. Um, but yeah, things are going good so far. So that's my strategies actually. My goal is to 100K account. 4 to 5% a month, yeah, that's very achievable. Means like if you trade on every weekdays, means if you gain like 0.5% of your capital, that means you can gain more than 5%. Yeah, it's very achievable. I have seen people like doing like multiplying their account every day. They can do it. That's the way they can lose that money as well. They are losing it as well, but they're not showing that thing. So even when I started trading, I was in the same shape. I was just doubling my capital every day. I was trying to double my capital every day, and it happens sometime. But on the very next trade, on the very next day, maybe on the very next week, you lose everything. So that's not a good strategy. That totally depends upon you how much money you can afford to lose in one trade. So don't do DC again and again. Don't trade, don't overtrade, don't revenge trade. That's what I suggest people. So that's what I have learned in three plus years of my career in crypto futures. So yeah, that's what I have learned. Yeah, it's good time to enter BTC. Hmm. Yeah, of course. Yeah, people are losing money. That's why first 2 years of mine was very painful. Like I was losing even every day sometimes. So I was just I was hoping like I make money sometimes, and okay, I have just doubled my capital. Let's get into the one just another trade, just another trade. So that's the way you lose everything sometime. So even I was losing most of the money. So entering the BTC right now, I'm not opening any position in BTC. I'm not trading BTC anymore. So I cannot say that anything can be happen. 90,000 is the support for now. I think so. We should wait maybe. But what we can do is we can multiply our amount in like other pairs as well. So this is a good pair, Bonk. Meme coins are very good for scalping. Aster, yeah, things are just over. What we need is we need to just wait, I think. Can you Google? Fair value gap, if you figure it out, I think that's the good thing. But mostly, most people cannot like understand where is the fair value gap. So that's what I understand. What I do is sometime, even most of the time, I prefer to do, I follow RSI, plus I see the momentum, where the momentum is shifting on the 5-minute time frame or the 15-minute time frame. When the momentum is shifting, you need to just understand. Okay, let me tell you. Um, yeah, I am using this exchange, Lbank. This is the exchange. If you want to get yourself registered on that, there is a link in my bio. You can just register with that trade as well. So I think you will be awarded 50 free USDT upon registration as well. So you can use that with you can open one futures trade and make profit on top of that as well. So that's the platform I'm using. Why I'm using it? It's because it's linked with TradingView. So it's a real time. All of the trades platforms using their own charts, but okay. Sorry. Yeah, but I use this platform. I'm using this since last more than 1 year, so I'm happy with that. So you can register yourself on that as well. So what was so yeah, I was telling about my strategy. So let me tell you how you understand. I think you should have scalping. Scalping, Rami's brother. Let me tell you. uh, if we see, you need to just figure it out where the trend is shifting. Okay. What would be the best way of understanding the trend shifting? Like the trend is moving to bullish or bearish. Um, it's I have just learned that from a paid group actually. Uh, if you understand, if you see this candle, you can see that's a 15-minute candle. There is another candle which is higher than this candle, previous one, and there is a next candle which is lower than, so means it's making like M shape, not M shape, but center candle is the bigger, and the left and right candles are lower than this candle. That means here the momentum is shifting to bearish. So you can trade in very next candle. You can open the short position. Most of the time, it works very well. What I have just learned from this strategy, it works. I think 99% of the time, and I have made good profit in these kind of like strategies. Uh, Sooner, brother, what my strategy is, I open the trade with 1% of my capital. I have a very big capital right now, so I prefer to maximum open the trade with 1% of my capital and keep another 1% to do DCA just in case things got yeah, things get bad. So what I do is I keep another 1% to do DCA if things are in my hand. So sometimes, most of the time, it goes well. But if my capital goes to -2%, so I just close the trade manually sometimes, or I can set up my stop loss as well. So this happened with me like more than 5, 6 times. I don't exactly remember how many time it happens with me, but that's my strategies, and I'm in a very good profit right now. And what my strategy is to gain a profit. I'm just gaining 1%. I try to gain 1% of my capital every day and just compound it every day. And I just do on weekdays as well. So stop loss hunting, yeah, there are a lot of things like there are a lot of things, um, um, but we cannot master everything. So yeah, but I do like this way. So I have gained my capital in a very, very good shape right now. So no, no, I don't prefer to for short-term scalping. Uh, uh, as I have just mentioned earlier, like just following the trend, I cannot I don't see the volume as well sometimes. So for short-term scalping, you need to see just RSI if RSI value of 5, I have set the value of RSI to 5, and take the long position if the RSI is below 20, and short positions if RSI is above 80. So I more than 90% of my trades are unsuccessful. I can show if you want if you want me to show you my transaction history, I can show you that well. That's my live account. So sorry if I have missed any question I have. Yeah, stop loss. That totally depends upon you. Like every trader has his own strategy of doing that. But what I do is I have just already mentioned you that, but my like um when we can stop investment. Yeah, yeah, I understand. I understand. If you see the heat map, but um, that totally you can just figure it out. Like the heat map also gives you a clear understanding, like where is the more liquidity. So for that can work maybe for the intraday trades or for like swing trades. But I preferred not to do that. I just close my trades every day. So um, yeah, yeah, I understand. Yeah, it just happened yesterday. You guys have witnessed that one. So BTC just fall below 95,000 to 92,000, somewhere around there, and more than $8 million just got liquidated yesterday. Long positions, which was like very bad thing actually. Mm. In volatile coins, RSI 5 is working very well for me actually. You can do your own research as well on that, and I just mentioned that I use like lower side 20 and the upper side is 80. So opening short position from 80, most of the time it goes well. And using the long position if the RSA is below 20. So and wait for the next candle as well. So it works very well for me actually. And well, everybody has its own like BTC is just in the middle of nowhere actually. We cannot confirm it yet. Market size is just downsizing right now, so it was 3.17 trillion yesterday open, and now it's 3.07 trillion, which is like down 2% also. So BTC can go a little bit down if the BTC crosses the support level of 90,000. Maybe the next quick support would be 88,000. That's what I understand. Somewhere around 88,000 dollars. And if things could get more, mm, yeah, yeah, it's kind of betting. Yeah, I understand. Um, uh, I have just set my target actually. Try to get 1% of my capital. So, and try to like, you know, compound it. So compounding worked very well for me. So things are in my hand, things are going good. Let me show you my transaction history also. So I just try to gain very small profit in a trade, in every trade. Like if you see that these, I opened just six positions yesterday. One, two, three, four, five, and six. These positions. I have just closed all of them in positive using very like low amount, not even the 1% of my capital using opening these trades. But yeah, and if you see the previous trades, the day before, not day before, yesterday on Friday was went well. You see there is no, if you want me to show you more, let me show you another quick sorry, where is it? Okay, so yeah, one of my trade just got, I just closed it manually, but because I was not that's what I always tell people. Control your emotions, wait for the right time to open the position. You see, that's my positions. Not even one here and close in negative, but just this one, $48. I just closed it manually because think market was not in the good shape. You see, all of my trades are in very good shape. Okay, what's wrong? Oh, okay. So see, that's well, from 13 to 2 weeks. So yes, that's my, even one of my trade is talking very bad, but not even 2% of my capital right now. So I just want to make sure maybe it will go up because that coin is already on the lower side with its price. So that's why I'm just letting it go for now. And One of my friend just told me like, uh, it's not like how you play. It's you should know where to stop. You're sooner you're right, quite right. Like we need to understand where to stop. So every day, if yeah, yeah. I have been through this. I have been through this. Like um, today, I have just not opened any position. I just came online, so I'm just trying to figure out anything. So Bonk is in a good shape, maybe. So yeah, I try to do revenge trades every time and losing money every time. So yeah. Ramesh brother, what let me tell you. Try to figure out those coins which are already on the lower side of their prices, which are already like on the grounds already. So you can just open the long positions. Don't open the short positions from there. You can take a chance. Sometimes I do, but most of the time, if you have observed my transaction history, my 99% of trades were long positions because the market is already on the lower side. So that's what I do actually. And most of the time, like 90, if you have seen my trades, like I must say above 90% of my trades are successful. So that's where you decide it. Like uh, and it's a 1 minute and 5 minute time. I just need a confirmation to open a position. I have not opened any position today. This is Astra is up. ARKM could be yes. What we need is actually we need just a confirmation for bullish trend from here. Just the next candle can give us a good indication. RSI is like 25, 24, 25, somewhere around there. We can take a chance in this one. If we see the 1 hour time frame, oh, it's just falling down. Oh, this should get so maybe. What do you think? Things can be. In crypto, you don't need to like follow the market times. Like you can just there are multiple factors like if opening New York market opening Asian markets, but they are not like majorly affecting the crypto market mostly. But if something big is not happening in the market, so trading crypto you can do on weekends as well. You can do on weekdays as well. That totally depends upon you. So things are like all you need to just set your target, brother, every time. So just gain that profit, stay away from the market. Sometimes it takes like 1 or 2 trades. Sometimes it takes like maybe more than 1 day or 2 days as well. So it depends upon you how you decide like how to. Don't follow more strategies. That don't follow more indicators. Just grab the trade, uh, following like very basic 2 3 things. You can just get very good understanding. So I have used like various indicators like multiple times, and but indicators always not 100% right most of the time. So what you need is you need to just take the trade, following make a strategy and keep following that. So that's what I do actually. I have just shown you my profits as well. So people are just telling me that I'm not using volume indicator, I'm using RSI only, just that's it. And if you want to know the momentum of the market, so SMC is also a good indicator. You can just have a look on the trading view SMC, you know, this one for example, let me tell you, I can just sometime I check this one as well. So 15 minute is down, down, down. Okay, just falling down. 17. So this indicator is a good indicator, but I have seen like most of the time it's not working very well. So SMC is a good indicator. You can have a understanding if you have studied this one as well. So just let you understand the market trend. So we a strong low means maybe it will not come in the 5 minutes candle. So you can open the long position from here if you follow this indicator. But from where you need to take the trade, there should be like a break of structure. So break of structure is still not here. So what I have learned from this indicator, but I don't have a good track record of using this indicator. So what does he do? Like, I have never joined his group ever. I have seen his videos like multiple times, but I think he trades against the market. I have what I have came to know about him. So he trades against if the market is just shorting, so he tries to open the long positions, and if the market is opening the long, moving bullish, so he trades against that market. That's what I have just learned from, get to know from somewhere. I have seen like few videos of him. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, maybe nobody can tell you secret. Yeah, nobody wants to share its secret. But brother, let me tell. Yeah, yeah. That's what I have just tell. I'm telling all of my friends, even my like three, four friends are also in loss right now. We are just trying to recover from their losses. But I just guided him. I guided all of them. Like just don't try to recover your losses. Try to overcome your emotions and set your like uh, target of every day or every trade. Like so from I must say, just make a discipline and keep following that. That is the major missing thing in the trading, the traders who are losing their accounts. That's the major thing. Just make a discipline and keep follow that. And my discipline is very simple, very simple. I have just figured it out. Like after losing 2 years of my capital, that was very simple. Open the trade with 1%, because if you have bigger capital, and I know. Um, I cannot I cannot comment on that. Uh, but maybe brother. Well, I have seen him speaking like you understand this, you understand that, then you need to learn this, you need to learn that. Everybody's not smart like him. So if he's smart enough, he just let the people know, or and but what can we do? What I'm trying to tell people, don't fall for the bigger percentage. What I have seen one of his videos, like he made like 900% of the cap, his trade. What he's doing is like opening the trade with $1 and using 200x leverage. That's the bullshit. Like just one move can give you like 200% gain. What is that? So I can show you my trades, and I can show you like thousands percent in every trade using $1 taking the maximum leverage. That's the way you can just like show the percentage of your gain, but you are not showing actual profits. You should show your profits like you are just using $1, making $1 to $3, $5 maybe sometime. So if you use like $1,000, make it for like $5,000. Okay, that's good enough. You can just show the people. Yeah, I understand, brother. Actually, um, in my experience, we are desperate. Actually, we are desperate people. We just want to make money. We see people. Okay, people are making money. Even people are showing money. Okay, they'll see I have just made that percentage of the gain on my capital. Even I show my followers. I have WhatsApp channel as well. There's a link in bio. You can follow that. I share my percentage of my gain in every day. Like every trades I close every day. I perform all of my trades every day. I show my results of my trade every day. Okay, these are the results what I'm showing you guys in my live session as well. If trade goes wrong, and it takes more time, and I always share the result of my every trade. And I think my best trade was, I think, 200%, which was a gain of $200 upon $200, I think. Yeah. So yeah, I think that's the basic thing you need to just understand. So making 200% means like using $100, and you can understand like what I'm talking about. So don't fall for the things like people are showing. Okay, there is another guy who is showing like thousands percent of his gain in every trade. Okay, what he's using, like he's using 200x leverage, opening the trade with $1. So that's bullshit actually. That's what I say. That's a very basic thing you need to, you people don't understand actually. Even I got to know about like after 2 years of losing money. Okay, then how the people are making like 1000% in a trade. Let me open the trade. I open the I open the trade like with using my 50% of my portfolio, but still losing. Yeah, yeah, but Ravi's brother, still I was losing money. So I was like, what's wrong with that? Like I'm gaining like maybe 5% of my capital, 10% of my capital. That's it. But I have seen like people making a lot of money. What they are showing is they opened with $1 using 200x leverage. So if you don't understand this mindset, so even like the people from our country, they are just following for they are just falling for that actually. So people are falling for the things which they are showing. They're not showing their capital. They're not showing their account. They're not showing their profit. They're showing the percentage of the gain what they have gained. They're not showing like how much money they have gained on that. So using 1% making 300 500% means just five making $5 showing like I have gained 500%. It's yeah. That's the bad thing. I think knowledge is the thing to be shared. If you have learned something, just share it with everybody. That's my strategies. I have learned what I have learned, like losing 2 years of my life, but I think I have gained my what should I say? Um, I have gained the knowledge actually, so I'm trying to share with everybody. I have seen people like drawing multiple lines. Okay, this is the line. If this crosses this will happen. Sometimes this happens. Sometimes that happens. But okay, the market moves like that way. You just understand. Like I'm not drawing the lines. I just understand the market move. Open the long trade. Open the short trade. Preferably opening the my strategy is I already have mentioned. Open the long positions on any coin. Take any coin. Don't like follow the project. Don't follow the things. Do short-term scalping. Open any trade. Open the trade which open the coin which are already on the lower side of its price. Open the long position from there. Just set your target actually. People are not setting up the target. Break of structure, BOC. That's what are you talking about? Support resistance is basically yeah, there are multiple things. Support resistance is a good thing you should know. You will get to know about that maybe if you are new to crypto, so people will understand like okay, there is a support, there is resistance, so you can draw. If, previously I was doing that, like if it crosses the support line, then on the downside I can open the short position, and most of the time it works well. But now I'm not following these things. I still draw the support and resistance to judge okay, where is the support, where is the resistance. So BOC, let me tell you, brother, you're talking about BOC. So BOC, what is that? CHOCH, change of character, and BOC is the same thing actually. Break of structure is a uh, it's a good, clear, better understanding of the structure changes. Like break of structure was moving in between. If we see this one, let me tell you. That's what I have learned. I'm not an expert in that, but I try to. Sorry, I'm not getting. Oh, my battery is low. Sorry, guys. Just let me set up, charge my phone. Oh, okay. BOS? Sorry, I don't understand what does this means. Yeah, BOS. BOS, you're talking about BOS. So that's what I'm talking about. Um, BOS is the break of structure. Structure is moving like if if the market is moving in the in the range bound. You understand the range bound. So and if it goes above, if it crosses that range, let me draw the line from here so you can have the better understanding. Okay, so if market goes up to this mark and mostly these you understand you can understand the movement of this coin. So break of structure shows here market fall down from there, so means the market is just moving above or the lower side of that range bound. So that's the break of structure as far as I know. So mostly you can take the trade, you can take the trade in this candle actually. That's a 5 minute candle. So if you get that opportunity and use this indicator, that's a free indicator, you can use that. If you get to if you get this indication in any trade, let me show you previous. Even change of character also sometimes you can take the trade. Here was a break of structure as well. You see, this is break of structure. Here was the major break of structure. You can open the you could have opened the short position from here, but it went back up again. But that was a break of structure. That's where you decide how much TP you should have set. So that's the break of structure. Mm, um, okay. And if we do a little bit back test, let me show you. Here was the break of structure. You see, if you see, this is the break of structure on the upside in the green candles. So, and if you could have open a long position from here, if you get grab that opportunity, the market fall down a little bit, but it went back up again. So that's where you decide how much TP you want to make in a trade. And let's talk about more break of structure. You see, this is a break of structure as well. That's a 5 minute time frame. And if we see this break of structure, you could have opened the long position from here. See if in very next candle, not in this candle. The break of structure shows in the very next candle. So yes. So yeah, there you can just take a trade. It's a free indicator. You can use that, but it doesn't. That's most of the time it works, but most of the time it doesn't work as well. So here was a break of structure, if you see, but on the very like lower pace. So here was a break of structure you see in this candle, but in the very next candle, just falling down. It fall down to a little bit more and just falling down. So that's what I'm talking about. Break of structure always doesn't work very well. Uh, Indicators doesn't work very well, but break of structure gives you an indication like, okay, the market is moving this side or that side. So that's the break of structure. If you were asking about this thing actually. Um, okay. Let me just, okay, let it go. That's what I need actually to open the long position from here. See the RSI value. RSI value is 7. We can open the long position, but the market shifts the momentum. Yeah, let's take a chance. No problem. But I'm not opening that position even with the 1% of my capital. Maybe zero point 0.5, maybe zero point 0.2. So, okay, I'm in a position right now. I took that opportunity, and now I have to decide how much profit I want to make in this trade. Uh, Let me just cancel this one. Let's see the 5 minute time frame. Okay, yes. If we see the 5 minute time frame, I can make $40 in this trade. I am using 20x leverage from the market, and I used like 109 dollars for this one. Okay. So $109 for this trade, and this is a trade, this is a trade I am stuck in right now. $260. I have just opened that yesterday. I will close that in positive. I'm not doing DC right now. Um, I will do DC later on if I would be needing. That's the pair I will show you again. This one, yeah. I'm just waiting for this one to fall down a little bit. If I would have done the DC, I could have closed that trade. But taking the chance in the volatile doing DCA right on this mark, I think it's not a good thing to do right now. We'll do the DCA later on if I would be needing. Truth is also in 5 minutes candle. Yeah, BTC is falling now. BTC is just 91,200. Market is very volatile, like from last 2 days. So taking the chance from here can be very. So yes. So if you guys are new to crypto, you guys can join my referral link. There is a link in my market is going to plummet. You means market is going up? Okay. Momentum is shifting, like maybe yeah, market can go. That's what I understand. But that totally depends upon the BTC move. I think BTC is not in. If BTC falls down below 90,000, then we should be worried about it. Let's not take the chance to open another position. The one and only. Thank you for following as well. Thank you guys who just started following me. It's a great honor for me. Um, thank you, sir. Thank you for following me. Um, okay, so ARKM. This coin is also. Oh, okay, I have just opened the position of this one. This coin is linked with the exchange. It's the if you know the Arkham exchange, so it's their coin. Um, there's not a practical use of this one for now, but uh, that could be the next BNB. But that's what I understand. It's right now trading around 18 cents. Um, uh, we cannot decide it yet actually. BTC can, if the last week the weekend closed could have closed above $95,000, so the next mark would could have been like 100K. But Trump and the market and the tariffs are just affecting the market right now. There is a like trading war. It's a trade war, I think we should call it, and going on. Maybe I don't have a good hope for BTC right now. That totally depends upon when the New York market gets open. So I think there the time, I think from 2 hours now, the market will show the move. So we cannot decide it yet. Maybe, yeah. Market is just moving upon speculations. So so there are BTC, crypto, even the stocks. Have you seen the gold? Gold is yeah, gold is showing very very unpredictable like move, and it's today it was already on the higher side again. So like what just it's just moving like meme coin from last 2 3 4 months. Why is yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It's showing like a just newly launched meme coin. What just happened like that? Like what's going on? Like people are just uh, piling up their money in gold. Why? There must be something big coming, which we don't know. Or maybe we know the things like it's the thing, trading thing, and people are just making money, putting whales are putting money from one thing to another thing, then maybe just gain good profit. from gold and dump it hard again. Well, I have a very good feeling the gold is already on the higher side of its price. Maybe there is a big fall is up maybe in upcoming days. Anything can be happened, but I don't but I have a very gut feeling for that. Uh, for scalping, yes, you can do. For the long term investment, I'm not in the favor of gold and silver. This is actually now the trade war as well. So yeah, okay. So what we do is we are just getting a small amount of capital every day, set my target, and just take our profit from the market and stay away from the market. You guys might have remembered the 10th October, the black day of the history of crypto. What just happened? Like more than $2 billion just got liquidated. So, that's the volatility. Even the people's stop losses did not hit, which is very bad thing. Okay, uh, let me tell you my strategy here. Uh, we can decide like to take the long position from here, but we will take the long position in the very next candle. That's a 5 minute candle, and that's three candle step. We see the previous candle is closed above the bottom of this candle, and the next candle, if the next candle closes also above on the top on the above the bottom of this candle, then that's the sign of bullish momentum. Maybe for the short period of time. If we see on the bigger time frame, yes, this is also showing for that specific period of time. If we see the 1 hour time frame, no, it's not. We are not gaining anything from here. We are not getting any confirmation. If we see this momentum, uh market goes up and the next candle was falling down and the next candle was falling down, so we could have opened the short position from here. That's a 1 hour time frame. So yeah, and if we see, that's where we can just judge the momentum actually. It's good for for swing traders if they grab that opportunity and set their target and take the profit. On the 15-minute time frame, it works well. It On the 5 minutes time frame, it works well. Um, Thank you so much for following me. Um, People are just talking bad. Guys, please don't fight. Don't talk bad about anything. Um, okay. Uh, FHE, you're talking about FHE coin? Uh, yes, we can discuss. Okay, let me check. That's listed on. I think I have took the trade in like maybe two months back in this one as well. Uh, yeah, 5 minute time frame. If we see, if we see 5 minutes time frame and see the momentum, yeah, it's a good indication. Let's talk about The RSI FHE. Okay. 15 RSI is in favor. We can open the short position from here. But if we see the 1 day time frame, oh, it just gained a lot. And see, it's just moving up, up, up. And like from last 14th of January, it's just moving up. So you want to short this position from here. Um, okay. You see the one day RSA is 99. I have never seen like in in months this RSI 99, which is like if we see SMC on the 1 day time frame, what does it say? It's like if it's showing the week high, then okay. See, it's showing the week high. It it can go a little bit more up, but we can take a chance. Uh, 0.19. Let's talk about that on 1 hour time frame. Support would be around, yeah, 193. 193 could have been support on the 1 hour. And if we see the 5 minute time frame, guys, don't fight, please. Don't mind, and just relax. Uh, yeah, 1918, 190. So opening the short from here. There's a fair break of structure was there, just falling up. If we follow the momentum, momentum is showing like from last few days, 5, 6, 7 days, it's going up. So taking a chance in this kind of volatile coin can be risky, but you can take a chance if you want to. I cannot recommend you that. So if you have a good understanding and previous, if you have done the trade in this pair as well, so you can take a chance. I think I remember I have took the trade in this pair previously, but I don't remember now. 15 years time frame. Okay. Moreover, risking it from here. It is. Let's talk about. Yeah, can take a chance from here. Even from here, for short-term scalping, it's a good sign. We can do open a short position from here. Maybe for not for the long period of time, just for a quick scalping, it can be done. Brother, I used to trade like all of those coins which are already on the lower side of the prices. But majorly, I'm just doing like I have just favorites all of these coins, the meme coins mostly. So not BTC, not Ethereum. Majorly like these kind of coins. I've been trading like from few months now, but yeah, yeah. I came online every day. I come online every day around at the same time. I'm in Thailand, so it's almost 7 o'clock, 6:55 p.m. So it's been like now 55 minutes. I'm here. Okay, great. Thank you so much. All right, great. Uh, okay. So yes, that's what I do. Okay, this coin. So let's add this coin as in favorites as well. So we will just see its results. Okay, Aster. That's what we are just looking. 5 minutes time frame. Mm, I just want another confirmation. I'm just in one position today. I want to open another position. Yeah, KM, that's already in trade. We are already in trade of this one. Taking a chance. Yes. If we see these three candles, that's an indication that it could go up, it can go up, but it's a chance for shifting the momentum, but anything can be happen. It's volatile market. Bonk is just not in the favors. Use is also in the bad shape. H. Yes. This one is already. That's the trade I am stuck in from last one day. Truth, we can take a chance in this one. RSI should be below 20, then I would love to open a long position. That's a 5 minutes candle. Okay. That's an indication. That could be. Oh, yes. That was an indication. Mm, see the 1 minute can time frame. If you understand where the market is just shifting its momentum, you can make a good profit every day. I was about to open the long position from here. I can take a chance even from here, but not sure yet. Hmm. There are good chances for this one to go a little bit more up, maybe. Okay, I'm just getting few messages. Okay, I will respond that after my live session. Yeah, you can write me in comment section as well if you want to ask anything. Okay. L Bank. Oh wow, what a pump. I just missed that opportunity. Okay, 1 minute is not good. 5 minutes was in clear. No, no. Okay, so later on, I think we can. I just missed that opportunity. Okay, no problem. We will get another one. ARKM is also open already. Opening long from here can be, yeah. See, that's I was just talking about. We can open the short from here. That's an indication in this candle. But that was just a chance. The momentum is overall bullish of this coin. If we see, all we can do is we can just take small profit in a single trade, but no. fetchy. Let it go for now. Right now, so you're going short this one, FHE from here. 5 minutes. Hmm. Taking a chance can be a good option, but not from here at least. Yeah, yeah, yeah. In such kind of volatile coin, you should be very careful opening the positions. So like it's very like very volatile. So the momentum of overall momentum is bullish, but taking a chance of opening the short position uh, could be in a good favor if the market falls down the way it's going up. So and you get the momentum and everything goes right. So maybe you can make a very good profit in this one. How much like it can go more up? Like how much gain it can gain again? There would be some end of what Bitcoin is. Bitcoin, yeah, next support should be around like $88,000, somewhere around there. So if BTC is going down, maybe it can, because the BTC is dominating the market, maybe everything can go along with that. Mhm. Thank you so much for following me as well. Thank you. Okay, so that's the 5 minute candle, and okay, let's see this one. What I was just looking at, truth. Yeah. Okay. All I want is see this coin. This one, that's a 1 day time frame. It's already on the lower side of its price. So taking the chance of for long position can be like a good option. Maybe if you can get stuck for maybe a few days at some time if the market falls down a little bit more, but how much down it can go? Like if the BTC falls to zero, maybe then things can go wrong. But if you have big capital opening 1% of your capital, you are safe. If the liquidity price is not shown up in your position, so that's my strategy. Like if the liquidity is not there, then there is a good chance for you. But try to open 1 or 2 positions max, not three, not recommended. Mm, which one? Light coin, light what light? Light USDT, you're talking about this one? Mm, okay. Why it's oh wow. Yeah, almost every 2 weeks. Yeah. You're right. Why people are just investing in these kind of coins? Oh wow. This one is also on the lower side of its price. Taking a chance like this in just one big candle can give you like all of your. So you want this one if, yeah, how much down can it go? There is not much volume even in this 23 million on this exchange, 11 trading volume. What a dump. How do we trade and what's it called? Like, you're talking about what I'm doing? You're asking about like this overall thing, what's going on? Or you want to ask? Okay, great, great. It's a good thing. Yeah, yeah. Taking a chance in these kind of coins can give you a good profit. Yeah, Ethan, brother. Actually, this is crypto futures, crypto market, trading futures. If you have an idea. Okay. It's the crypto futures. You take the leverage from the market. You sign up the contract. Not the physical contract, but it's on-chain contract. You just take the leverage from the market. Uh, and gain the profits on buying and selling as well. So that's what very basic thing I have told you about. If you have an idea of like crypto spot or futures, then that could be a good useful thing for you to understand. That could be easy to for you to understand as well. Yeah. But if you are new to crypto and you want to trade crypto futures or you want to trade crypto, just learn it first. There are multiple platforms over there, so you can do on demo trades. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. You should get to know, but uh, m most of the people are like losing money in crypto futures. Very few are just gaining profits. Uh, so that's what I'm just telling all of my followers and all of my viewers who are just watching my videos. Just telling the people, okay, you should set your discipline and keep following your discipline. Learn from others' mistake instead of doing your learning from the market by yourself. If you learn from other people's mistakes, so yeah, that's the way you can make. One more red candle incoming. In this one, light. So should we open a short position? Should we take a chance? RSA is 9 already. So that's the 5 minute time frame. Let's see. What do you suggest? Should I take a chance? I can open the let's open it with like $10, $20 maybe, $25. What do you suggest? Yeah, it should be. It should be. See? Yeah, you're right. You see the 1 minute time frame is also showing this one. But RSI is just screaming like to open the long position. But in this kind of coin, we are not taking any. Gas token we can check. Let's forget this volatile coin actually. Should not take a chance in this one. So it can take your months, weeks, days of profit in a trade. You're talking about gas down or gas USDT? It's you're talking about brother this one? Gas? One day is just it's very volatile coin. See the movement of this coin. These big candles. That's a 1 day time frame. Gas down. Okay. GS down. Okay, this one. Okay, yeah. It's just newly listed coin actually. Very newly listed coin, ma'am. And you have opened the long positions. I don't know. Maybe right now it's that's the 15. So at what price did you buy it? Or you are just trading this, trying to trade it this one in futures as well? It will fall down. You see the momentum. That's the, it can fall down a little bit more, I think. Taking a chance in these kind of coins can be risky. You should take the trade on the coins like which are listed like from few months must be. So they already have set up their like lower or higher already, so you can have a better understanding. Like nowadays, all of the meme coins are on the ground, so taking a chance of opening the long positions can be a good option, but do your own research, guys. So, but just one day, we are just waiting for that one day. The one day will come, and the all season will come, and things will go to the sky for sure. Like last year, what just happened? We know already things were just getting starting to ugly, but yeah, that's a part of it. I have seen this one. Okay. Okay, this is BTC. FHG. Okay. No, let's forget this one. For now, Bonk is. I just want to open the long position in Bonk. I don't know. We can take a chance for opening the long position in Bonk. Okay. What I need is another confirmation. I just missed this one. This 500. 1 hour is already on the lower side. See the momentum. In the next few hours, when the market opens, that totally depends upon the New York market. Um, we cannot judge like what how it reacts, uh, because we were not expecting that on the weekend Trump will announce anything like which can affect the market. We were expecting if the BTC price closes above 95,000, so next mark would be around 100K because the fear index was decreasing and the greed index was increasing. So people were trusting in the market and market volume was also increasing. Just in one day, just Trump announced like he will like implement 10% tariff on 8 European countries, which like creates the panic in the market and people try to take their money back out from the market. So yeah, these that totally depends upon the news. We cannot judge it right now. What my understanding is, I don't feel good for BTC right now. There are like trade war is going on in the world, so it can affect a little bit, but we cannot judge it right now. If it crosses 90,000, then 88,000 would be the next support, and after that, maybe 85,000, somewhere around 84, $85,000. If everything is right, maybe if it stays above like $90,000 by end of this week, and nothing big is happening in the world, maybe things can go good on the good side. But you know, there are wars going on in the world, so it's affecting for the shorter period of time. You see, there are multiple wars going on in the world, and it's not affecting that much on the crypto market. Maybe a little bit temporary dip. So yeah, that's what I think actually. Um, I'm losing this one. I don't want to lose this trade. I just want to grab this opportunity actually. I can set my limit order in this one. Soul, soul, soul for the for the long term for the futures trading. Um, it's on very good price. I would love to buy it from here, but not buying already because I'm just doing. I don't just don't taking the risk. Soul is at very good price. For spot buying, it's on the good price. We can buy and keep it maybe for the long period of time. So yeah, yeah, I understand. Um, so for the long period of time, it's a very good coin. You have seen like it's showing good potential. It's a good coin. It's a good project, and it's already on the top five. So yeah, and it's right now today it's on a very good price for spot buying. Maybe come down a little bit if BTC falls down, but overall it's a good project for spot buying. It's a good thing. Maybe for the long period of time. Up to 120. Um, what's going on right now? Let me check. So where is it right now? 120 can, let's check. Okay, if we see the 1 hour candle, um, so the lowest was today, 128, 128. If the BTC falls down below 90,000, then there are chances. Yeah, if we see it came to 118 at this day. This was the day it came to 118. I have just checked this one today. So that could be a good opportunity. But for spot buying, if you want to buy for spot, so uh, I think for the longer period of time, yeah, it's a good thing to buy. 120 can be possible, but that totally depends upon the BTC move because you see it's moving the BTC movement right now. So I suggest you to. I would love to buy this one, but I'm not doing it right now. Maybe I will wait for another day to see when the market opens, when the US market opens. So it will show us like maybe a good momentum on any side. Can go up, can go down. I think there was 3 days holiday. But Saturday, Sunday, and Monday was closed. 3 days was closed. So it will give a shock wave in the market. But when it will open, but we will see. I just want to buy Soul for a long period of time, just like Ast ARKM. That's a good coin. We can. So Atom position is $25 positive. I can close it manually from here, but my TP is $40. Okay, let it go. So I just took one trade today. My previous position is stuck already. So from yesterday, one of my position is stuck. Actually, I took 7 positions yesterday. 6 of them went well, and one of them is just not in the favor. Truth, truth is just going up 170. Aster. Yes, Aster is at the right. Coming at the right price to buy. Yes. See, it's also moving on the lower side. Taking a good position. Okay. I'm just going to open a long position in this one. Aster. For 5 minutes candle, let's talk about this one. 5-9. Okay, that would be a take a chance option, but I'm confused for this one right now. I don't know. 5 minutes, 15-minute candle. Okay. Um, let's decide here. Okay, no, no, no. See this candle, this one just took the trade from here, fall down, go a little bit up. Okay. Yeah, it's trying to gain some momentum. I think we can take a chance in this one. Uh, this one is showing the momentum in 5 minutes candle. Uh, if we want to, no, I think we should wait. For quick scalping, I think it's just covering this gap and yeah, momentum is shifted from bullish to bearish in the 5 minute time frame. Let's talk about 15-minute time frame. Okay, yes. We could have opened the short position from here, but don't want to risk it. So opening the long position can be favorable, but not the short position. But what we need is we need a confirmation in the 5 minutes candle. So why not? Let's take a chance from here, but maybe it will take us more 10 minutes. That's a 5 minute candle, and the momentum confirmation should be a good sign. I think right now we should wait for this one. Let's talk about, oh yeah, this one is just falling down. FHE is on the stake. Bonk is on okay. Let's take a chance to open long position in this one. Okay, I am going to long into this position using 0.5% of my capital almost, which is like, oh, yes, okay. Okay, I have just opened two positions. So let's see if everything goes right. One of my trade is $30 positive right now, and let's see where does this one goes. Yeah, where should be the TP? TP should be somewhere around there, I think. Okay, I have set up my TP already. That if the price goes to that level, it will give me just okay, $117. Let's see if we can grab this one. It's a good project. It's a good coin for the long-term investment. For the long, not for the long term, but for the long position opening right now, it's on the good price. We can take a chance in this one. Try to open those small positions because the market is very volatile right now. So don't take the risk. Try to be safe. And yeah, that's what I suggest. So ARKM is also going up. That's what we need. We can close the trade taking $30, $35, $31 from here because RSI is just hovering around 70. So it can go up, but I'm not taking the chance. Maybe I will close that trade manually. Okay. I have just booked the $30. I have just booked $30 in this trade because my trade was that's the order history. That's the amount I have made in this trade, $30. You guys can see this one. So that's my first profit today. Just try to make small instead of losing all. Okay. Bonk is on the move. I have just opened this one and let's see where does it takes me. The price I have just mentioned here can, yeah, that's, you see, I have just mentioned the TP at this resistance level. That could be a resistance at this time. That's the 15-minute time frame. Maybe it will take a little bit more time, but that's totally achievable. That could happen. And if I move to, let me move to this one, I could have make like $500 in this trade as well. So how much should I? What do you think? That's possible? That is possible actually. Um, we can take a chance in this one. So 60. On the other hand, what we can do is we can set up my I can set up my stop loss at my break even as well. So that's what I can do, but I don't want to do that because it always hit my stop loss. It's already on the lower side. I'm feeling safe for this one. So let's see. Mm, on the move, on the move. Yes, on the move. Opening multiple positions can be dangerous, so be safe, guys. $30 right now. The position is on $30 positive. What I want to do is I will do just like yesterday I have done, like I just move my stop loss on top of my break even. So most of the time it works well. So this one is also, so we have just made a $30 in the previous trade, and right now it's already on $30, but not taking a chance to put my stop loss right now. I just want to, I just want to keep it continue maybe for, just getting rejection from here. It's just getting resistance from this mark. Here is a resistance on the, okay, so I'm seeing the 500, yeah. Yeah, it could have been a resistance, small resistance, but okay, meanwhile, let this trade go. Where does it goes? $30 positive now. Position. Yeah, $20. Okay. Let's not. Thank you so much for following. What's your Right now, well, I am just trading different pairs. I just trade another a pair and just move on to next one. So mostly meme coins, the coins which are already on the ground, taking long positions. That's it, and take small profits and stay away from the market every day after closing my trades. Most of the time, not every time. Sometimes I get stuck, maybe for few days, sometime. But yeah, okay. So Bonk is on the move. And yeah, we were just talking about this one, ARKM. We actually just took the trade. Previous trade was ARKM. Yeah, we have just closed this trade on $30 positive right now. So we are just waiting for this one to come to that price again. Truths. Taking the long in truth is can be a good option. You see, that's the 1 day move. This is the 1 day move, and see the volatility that the movement. I have just started on trading. Okay. Oh, it's good. It's good. So you're doing futures as well? All right. Okay. What do you think? Like, 1 hour candle is in favor of doing the long. 15 minute is in the favor. Not in the favor, but okay. 5 minutes. I just wanted to open the long position from here, but just missed that. No problem. There are multiple opportunities. We will just trade. We will try to grab another opportunity as soon as we get some. So this is the 5 minute candle. That's the confirm. No, that was the sign. 212. Okay. Let's leave it for now. Oh, opening shot could have been like in favor. Like we were just discussing already that. Yeah, brother, we just missed that opportunity, you see? Yeah, you were right. Did you take the position you were just talking about? 0190, but no, it's 195. This is 5 minute move. This is 15 minute move. Okay. So Bonk is on the move. Bonk is on the move. I am $50 positive right now. Um, how much should I make in this trade? I just want to close this trade in live session. Don't want to keep it continue after the live session. So how much time I just have? Okay, just 1 hour and 40 minutes. Okay, guys, you guys can follow me on my WhatsApp channel as well. There's a link in bio, so you guys can join my WhatsApp channel as well. There I share my profits and losses as well, what I have made, what I try to make every day. So, moreover, if you want to get yourself registered with the exchange, this is very good exchange. I'm using this from more than last 1 year now. So I'm happy with that because it's just linked with the which one? You're talking which trade you're talking about? Bonk? or the other one, FHE. That's a 5 minute candle. I think if you're talking about this one, don't take this trade right now. I don't suggest you. If you want to, then do your own research as well. I'm $50 positive now. I don't know. The big fall is can be there. Okay, I'm just trying to. Okay, I will book the profit here. So that's the way. No, okay, I have already made 30 plus 70. I just want $70 in this trade. Um, See the moment is very, very. Um, this is bonk actually. I would love to suggest you. I'm going to close this trade. If the price goes to this level, it's in the mid of this candle. I'm going to take the profit here. Yeah, 65, $70. If you see the momentum, if the falls come again, then yes, you can take a chance. Uh, that's where you decide. Okay, I have just booked $70 in this trade. You see, that's the order history. Okay, why it's not updated? Composition, order history. Yeah, so I have made just $70 in this trade. Here it is, and $30 in the previous trade. So $100. Uh, I will wait this one to come down again. Uh, Momentum is like you can place the order actually, limit order. You see that's the fall actually. That's what I'm talking about. Uh, just follow the momentum as well. See it's going up, falling down. That's a 5 minute candle. So uh, maybe we can take a chance from here and keep it continue, but it can fall down a little bit more. Where I'm going to enter the position again. See that's the fall. That's the fall I'm talking about. See. So we can take a chance again, but we will take the chance again from 9020. It's a good price. Okay, I'm just going to limit my order at 9020 again using try to use less. Okay, $300, 1% more, just near to 1 by 1%. Okay, I have just limit the order again at this price, which can be possible, which is possible, but you see, I have just previously closed my trade manually, so I have just made $70 in this trade, um, and the previous one, so I have just made an $100 today for now. But what I need is I need a big fall again. So if we want to wait, we can just set the limit order, following with by the momentum. You see, the momentum is just just moving sideways for now. For this time frame, for 15-minute time frame, you see it's just falling down, down, down. So taking the position from the bottom of these candles can be a good option. See, the momentum can be shifted anyway. So yes, that's what I talk about. You can just limit your order from here. That's achievable, that can be possible, but let's see. Meanwhile, on the other pair, yeah, this one, yeah, this big green candle, the big green candle from here. Okay, I will short this pair from almost near to this top if it goes to that price. Yeah, we can take the chance. 2-1. 2 1 2. You see the momentum. Wow, what a good moment. Okay, but for now, I think we should wait, maybe. Yes, that's a 5 minute candle. Okay, the price is moving up, 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 up. I will take the chances in this one as well. Let's see if I can grab that opportunity. If I do a quick entry from here, uh, that can be risky, but we can open that with very small margin. Uh, But in these kind of coins, like in the coins where there is a big volatility, try to open. If you want to take the risk, just take with small leverage and small profits. I think. Soul, yeah. Soul is a very like I love Soul. It's a good project. Uh, today, if we see the position right now, it's a good position. We can take a chance for opening that position, and but that's what I do actually. That's what I'm doing from more than last 1 year. I'm doing short-term scalping every day, mostly weekdays. Sometimes trade gets stuck. I have set up my target. My portfolio is increased in a very good shape. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to grab like 1% every day, which is like very good, very good. Uh, so and compound that money. Just trying to withdraw a very small amount, but mostly I'm just compounding my money. Well, let me tell you, my stop loss is 2% of my capital, so that's what I do actually. If my trade gets stuck, I don't use stop losses, but if my trade, I try to open maximum with 1% of my capital every trade and use another 1% for DCA if I would be in need of that. Mostly my trade gets like most of the time I'm closing it and without my DCA, but most of the time I have done like I have closed 5 6 times, maybe 7 times, not more than that. Uh, okay. Uh, hmm. All right. It's going on YouTube as well. Let's see. Okay. Share well. I just want to. Okay. Mm, okay, later on. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for following. My Okay, I don't think so. We can just grab that opportunity again. Maybe. Uh, on the other hand, yes, one of trade is stuck very badly, but no problem. Bonk will this one give us a chance again? That's a 5 minute time frame. We can check. We can wait. Oh, patience is the key, guys. Just wait for the right time to open the position. Just wait. Just wait. And ARKM. Okay, I've just closed this position already. Uh, I just want to take it in attention. Esther. Yes. This one is on the good move. That's what I need. Okay, we can take a chance to open a long position. Or following by the RSI, see the RSI is 12. We can take a chance. Uh, okay, I have just opened the long position from here. That's what I was in need of. I took the chance in the running candle, which can be a little bit risky, but is $6 positive possible in this one? Yes, maybe. If the market moves back to that price. It's Aster, Aster. I am taking the chance, bro. You don't take it, please. If you want to take it, just do your own research first. It's already on the lower side. I just took a chance using like 1% of not even the 1%. How much amount I used for this one? I used to $250, which can be risky. Uh, Using 20x leverage from the market. So I just took the position. I followed the RSI, so maybe there is a good chance because there was a support uh, around here. So if it crosses that support, it can fall down a little bit more up to this price, 5, 9, somewhere around there. But if it's getting good support, then it can go back up again, maybe. Okay, so this is the coin. I have just took the position already. This, if you guys can see, yeah, okay, on the screen. All right. So far, seems nice. Seems a good opportunity. Good opportunity I have just grabbed. Just for yeah, ASTER. Yeah, that's right. I just grabbed that, and that could have been a risky trade, but okay. What I can do it is I can set my stop loss at my break even right now. Uh, but I don't know for now. The moment is very small. Hmm. Okay, that's a 5 minute time frame. 5 minute is this move showing this. This is showing that again, and it just never happened like this way. $15. Okay, okay, okay. Um, I used to $50 using 20x leverage. it's strongly not recommended. Uh, but it's not even 1% of my portfolio. So try to use very less amount of margin and leverage again as well. So that's the way you can just protect yourself and be in a safe zone. These coins are already on the lower side of their prices. Opening long positions can be helpful. It can get stuck maybe for a few days, for few hours sometime. But that's the way at least you cannot get liquidated. But try to open just one or maximum two positions, not more than that. So two positions means you're just uh, trying to double your position. Double your positions if both positions goes wrong. So that means the quickly your liquidity will get hit. If you're using cross margins, if you're using isolated, then every trade is just taking its own liquidity. So yeah. Okay. See, it's just falling down. Can be a good opportunity. This candle should close above this body. If it's not closing above this body, this 5 minute candle, then the trend would keep continuing on the downside. Maybe. Yeah. What I want is this one to close above this body. Okay, let's see the bonk. It's just moving up. What I want is I have just set the limit order over here. Okay, the limit order is at the right price, I think so. See, it's just getting rejection at this price. This is 5 minute time frame, that's the 15 minute time frame. Oh, I took this trade from bottom. Sorry, I don't understand. Like, what SL and Aster? At Aster, you want to talk about? I'm not putting stop loss in any trade. I already mentioned that. You see the momentum. If we see 1 day time frame, it's already on the lowest side of its price. SL, if you want to set up your SL, that would be 5513. If this crosses this wick, then but it will take more money from you instead of giving you some money. So I don't suggest anybody to use SL. Instead of using SL, just use less margin and less leverage from the market. Make small instead of losing all. So I'm not using stop losses. So that's a 1 day candle. It can fall down maybe a little bit more, but it's already on the launch price. Yeah, almost. So taking a chance in this kind of uh, coins can give you good profit sometimes, but can take your pro profile all of your capital as well if you trade that one with the wrong strategy. So you can take a chance if it goes wrong. Uh, I have what I will do is I will do with 1% of my capital with DCA. If it goes wrong, I will close it manually or set stop loss at 2% of my capital. That's what I do. That's what I recommend everybody. Because if we set your stop loss at some price, it will hit it again and it will go back. So every trade can get hit by your stop losses. So that's the way you cannot make like, 1%. It did not work well with me. I could not be able to get like right position at stop loss. So You can check in the liquidity heat map. There are multiple platforms there. You can just check like where are the more liquidations, so you can set your stop loss over there. But yeah, okay, I'm getting few messages as well on TikTok, maybe. Yeah. Okay, my position is so today what we have made just $100 and $9. This trade is going 9. My TP is $60, which is like very high, but if I keep this trade for the long period of time, maybe it will take a bit more time, but yeah, that's achievable. If we see the previous moves, 1 hour, yes, TP is very, very achievable. But let's wait for the US market to get open. At what time it will open? Let me check. Hmm, I think yes. Thank you so much for following. Bye, please. Okay, 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 okay. So yeah, uh, 1.5 hour from now, so US market will open and will tell us the next move of BTC as well, because BTC is also moving along the S&P 500. So yeah, maybe. But before that, we will close almost all of our trades. So we will not. We will see the momentum of the trades, the coins as well. So, but no, we'll try not to take any position because one of my previous position is stuck. So maybe it will take a little bit more time. 7, 8, 9, 9, 9:30. Okay. There's a 12 hours difference from Thailand to New York. Time difference. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Oof. If this will fall down to my, uh, I don't know, should I set my stop loss here or I should have booked my profit here? I'm a bit confused, but I took the bottom already. It was the bottom and it's just coming to bottom again. And see, it's just hitting the bottom again. Just the price where I entered the market. So it's on my break even right now again. Okay, let it go for now. And if we see the bonk, yeah, bonk is also just coming back to that price. The price I just want to take the trade again. I can take a chance from here also, but if it goes wrong, then I will be stuck maybe for the long period of time. I don't know what should I do. Um, RSI is 38, 39, 40. So below 20 could be a good opportunity to take the position. But if we follow the momentum is shifting from here to there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is what I just want. RSI is 30, 29. Below 20 can be. I think it will take my position. There are chances. You see that this fall? Mm, yes, maybe. Why it's just falling down? Because of the BTC is no BTC is just moving sideways from last few hours. Bonk is Bonk is just near to my limit order, just near to my limit order. I just want this one to grab my limit order. Yes, there are chances. Or we can open the position from here. Oh, I am in position right now. How much amount? Oh, I took mistakenly I took 75% leverage and made uh $90. Just in few seconds. You guys see? I mistakenly took the 75x leverage. Just in few seconds, I just closed that trade. Wow. Thank God I got lucky. Uh, y- yeah, let it just refresh. Oh, $92. Okay. Okay. What did I do actually? You see? Just $92 in this trade. Oh my God. What a risk I have just took. That could have take my portfolio as well sometime. Why I did not moved it. Okay, adjust the leverage to 25 is good. Okay. And we'll use to 1%. I think, yeah. Okay, I have just took the position again. Okay, now let it go. So TP would be, but the previous trade was very risky, guys. Be safe, always just check like you're just check taking the position and the leverage as well, and as well as the margin. So I was just moving my price to enter to mo- to limit the order, but I got lucky actually. But be safe, guys. Just check the leverage always. Bonk is on the right price to buy right now. That's what I think. That's what my understanding is. It can fall down a little bit more. You can just make some profit. You can just it's on the right move. That's what I think. I just took the position again. Um, but let's see where does it goes. $92. What a quick trade actually. So Astra is just going down again. Hmm, I could. Both of my trades are on the move. Oh wow. That's a big fall. That's a big fall. Hmm. Yes, we can. We can take a chance. Okay, 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 okay. So it's the time for you guys to if anybody wants to take the long position from here, then yes, that's the right time to take the long position. But do your own research first, guys. Thank you so much for sharing my live session, Tony. Okay, so the price, the movement is very I have set my TP to $60 on the 9095 mark. Yeah, that's achievable. And see the lower highs, making the lower highs, lower, lower high, lower low. Oh, wow. Making the new low, making the new low. Yes, making the new low. Wow. And for surely it will have to come back again. That the low cannot be seen by the market. Okay. All right, let this trade keep it going for long. Aster is now negative $19, which was positive $15, but we did not close it. Okay, we will do that. I will share the results of all of my these trades after the if trade goes negative and I get stuck, or maybe if it's not hitting my TPs, so I will share the results in my WhatsApp channel as well. So you guys can join my WhatsApp channel as well. And if you are not registered to this exchange, you can get a link in my bio. So get yourself registered with this exchange, and you will be awarded 50 free USDT upon registration. So that's the money you can do futures trading, and you can make the profit on top of that, which you can withdraw in your accounts as well. So yeah. Okay, okay, okay. That's a big fall. That's a big fall. Market, US market is still like truth is oh, truth is on the move up. 5 minutes. I just wanted to grab this. Okay, I think let this one go for now. Truth. Hmm. FHE. Okay, I already have like open two positions already. I think we should not take a chance. So let's wait for now. On the other hand, mhm. Okay, let this pair go for now. We should take a look on the pairs we are just trading already. Okay, so that's a 5 minute candle. Push back a little bit up, and these are my two positions which are in red. I just want to see these in green. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. All right. Yes. This is I the time I think we can take a chance to open the long. If you are not opening any position, you can just check this pair. It's not my advice. Just do your own research on this. Uh, it's the right price where should we take the long position. But for me, maybe we can take a little bit more time. It can take a little bit more time to give you a good profit, but it's already on the, I think, hitting the lowest price. which is a good sign for opening the long position. Can take a chance, but yeah. Mm. Okay, just falling down. Brother, you were asking like to take the position. You can just have a look on this pair, uh, but just have a look. Don't trade. Don't. I don't suggest you to take the trade, but just have a look on this pair for the long period of time. And if the market is going on the right direction, yes, there are good chances. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's the 1,000 wonk. If you are checking on the other pair, yeah, on the other exchange, yeah, it's 1,000 bonk, but it's the trade, the exchange I'm using, it's simply bonk. You can search with the five decimals. Okay, okay. What the other pair was we were looking at? Yes, this one, truth. Yeah, this one. 5 minutes can be risky. We can take a chance in this one as well if we see the 1 hour time frame, but I don't know. Uh, I don't suggest you to take the trade, but you can do your own research. I have just entered the trade already, but I'm just in negative few dollars right now. I just took the long position, but you please, brother, you do your own research. Um, I took the trade already. I took the long position. It can go wrong, it can go right, uh, but it's on the right. But for short-term scalping, not maybe. You see, it's just falling down a little bit, but it's a good thing. We can go, we can check. Okay. Mm, see the fall? The fall is there. Can go a little bit more down, but just Aster is just falling like the waterfall. So be careful, guys. That was in positive, but things are. We already have made $200, but I don't want to lose those $200. So Aster is just falling down. You see? See that the fall of Aster. I was in $15 positive here, but now $40 negative. So yeah, that's it. It's okay. Uh, I have a good hope for this one as well. Okay, okay, but I just want you guys to see, not always. You see, the momentum was showing like it will fall down, but I just took the long position. No, I took the long position from here. Yeah, I moved against the trend. Okay, let's take a trade according to the trend with this one, Esther. Spirits, FHE. No, it's not clear yet. What can we do? ARKM. Opening multiple positions can be dangerous, but that's the way. Uh, that's the greed actually. What we've been through. So let's see. There's a support down there here. So if it crosses this support, then the fall will keep it continue, and it's just falling down again. $23, $39, 23, 39 negative. Okay, let's see where does it take me. It's just getting rejection from here, ARKM, this coin. So on the 5 minute time frame, I have just set up the 5 minute time frame. If we see the 1 minute time frame, see it's getting rejection. Yeah. So what can we check from here? We can just have a look. Hmm. So brother, did you took the position? Be careful, guys. Very volatile market, very volatile. And oh, both of them. Be careful, brother. Just be careful. It's all both are already the right mark, uh, I must say, but be very careful. Just if you did your research, it's good. If you are just taking the position, just take small profit or just set your stop loss if the price goes up. So yeah, hope for the best. Good luck. Uh, um, hmm, this one is just getting a good support from here. So what we need to do is we will see. We can take the position again if the when the price moves up. So maybe shifting the momentum can give us an opportunity just like this. If we see these three candles, and we could have take the long position from here in this candle as well. So there is a chance, and see the chance was right. Over here, it's not clear yet. Yeah, not there. If this candle, the candle I'm just talking about, closes above the bottom of this candle, then I will take the long position from here. Yeah, but it's not going to do that. It's just falling down. It's just crossing that support level. Maybe it will fall down a little bit more. BTC is just falling, maybe. What's just happening? BTC, yeah, BTC is below 91,000, so that's why it's just moving all the coins to, that the dominance just always affects the market. So yeah, BTC dominance is just showing its effects, and bonk is negative 26. Okay, no problem. Okay. Mhm. Just shift the momentum, boy. What I just wanted to have a look on Astra. No, Astra, we are already in the position, but very bad position. Okay, no problem. ARKM, yes, we were looking. Yeah, in the next candle that will decide us, give us the clear indication. Now we will try to figure out where the momentum is going to shift. So how can we do that? We can see the previous movements as well. This candle was red, the candle was green, the next candle was green, and the previous next candle was green. And the body of these candles were all equal, not uh, above that, not below this candle. No, this is not a clear indication. Let's talk about another one. Momentum, yeah. The middle candle, the red candle was big. The previous candle was green. It its top was below this top, and the next candle's top was also below this top. So that was a shift of momentum. That was a clear indication. It just moved like 10-15 minutes over there, then it just started falling down. That was not clear indication. In the next candle, that was not clear indication. If we do a little bit back test over here, so yeah, see these three candles, green, red, and red. Top of green is lower than the next red candle's top, and the next candle, red candle's top is also lower than the next candle top. So these three candles are the sign of clear indication that it will fall down. Opening long from here, these three candles can be a good sign because the bottom of these three side candles are above the bottom of this single candle. So yes, that's a good indication. This, if you see this candle, the red candle and the red candle, the bottom of this candle, the red candle, and the next green candles down, the bottom is just above the bottom of this middle candle. So that's a clear indication also for opening the long position. That kind of indication I just want in this one. So I just want to take the chance to open a long position from here, just but in next candle. If the next candle is closes or above below this bottom, uh, then I will not open the long position. I will wait for the right confirmation. Now, if this candle, the candle which is just moving right now, which we are in right now for the 5 minutes, if it closes above this candle, then I will take the long position from here. The next candle, not in this candle actually. You see the bottom of the previous candle and the bottom of this candle should have been above like uh this bottom here where the marker. Let me move this blue line. Okay, it should have closed above this one. Then I will take the long position in the next candle. Taking a chance. Let's see if that's the way it works well. We can take a chance. Let me set up the time limit as well so we can settings scale pressure on it's more settings symbols status line scale line canvas trading think canvas solid time why it's not showing templates time. Okay, we'll check it out later on, but for now I just want the next candle to close above this. Yeah, this one should have to close. Okay, if we do a little back test, we can take a chance to open the long position from here. We can just take a chance. I'm going to take the chance. Using okay, try to use minimum leverage. So I'm using just $100 in this one. Opening the long position with using 20x margin. Why I took this, I have just mentioned you guys what was the reason I took the long position. Where I can close that one, that's where with there I have to decide, okay, that's the mark where should I have to close that position. I can close that's very small amount of money because I'm using very small leverage. So okay, that's fine. Let's see if I can make $15 in this trade. I just open the long position from here using just $100 with the 20x leverage. Not recommended the big amount. Just try to use small leverages. Okay, so Bonk is just near to my break even, but Astra is far from my break even. So okay, no problem. I will follow my um, strategy. I will follow my what's going on here. Okay, so I'm in the three positions right now. Okay, so let's follow the discipline and keep it continue. Thank you, brother. Thank you for your remove from talk. Okay. Okay. SGT. Okay. Let's see if we grab the momentum. Uh, that's where we can check if our this strategy works well, then we will keep it continue for the next trades as well. Mm, nine, 10. Okay, see the next candle. That's the I just followed. It's just shifting the momentum. That's for the 5 minutes. I think this strategy will work better on the swing trades actually. For short-term scalping, we can just take a chance using the 5 minute time frame. It's a good thing. Uh, yeah, yeah, I'm seeing the 5 minute chart here. You see, that's the 5 minute time frame. So yeah, it's working. It seems like it's working well, but it's not always happening like this. So okay, what's going on here? See, Bonk is also moving up. It's a good sign. It's a good sign. It's a very good sign, I must say. For our position, yeah, my position is above my break even now. Um, so so position is just two of my positions are break even. So you see, I'm just following the momentum. How we check the momentum shift, like I have just told you guys already. So that's the way we can just at least get a chance to understand the momentum shift. How can we understand the market? So this formula works well from here, and let's see if we can just check if we are right. My TP is just 50. Let's move my TP to $10 because I have just opened very small margin with small leverage. Okay, $10 would be good enough. Bonk and ARKM trade is in on break even. I think I hope it will work well. Guys, you guys can follow my WhatsApp channel as well. So if the trade goes, it takes more time, so I will share the results of these trades in my WhatsApp channel. So because the live session can be, very prolonged, so for now. Okay, 650. Okay, it's just see where I just entered the market and it's just moving. The movement of this coin is like very funny, I must say. Okay, okay. Oh, just falling down. No problem. I have a good hope for this one. All of my trades will go for sure in positive. I just closed three of them with $200 positive almost. And yeah, let me check how much is that. $92, $70, $30. So $192 almost. $190, let's say that. Okay, so there's a big fall. Okay, so that means the shifting of the momentum is on the stake. Okay, okay, okay. Let's see where does it goes. See what a big wick on the downside. So it just grabbed few liquidities from there and just pulling back. Not the liquidity, but the price orders. So Bonk has a good pushback, but very big candles in the Bonk as well. Let's talk about this. Oh, see guys, these are the moves I'm talking about. My TP is $59. This is 5 minute time frame. Okay, let's hope for the best. Let's keep this session continue maybe for more 30 minutes. So if we see if we can just get hmm, what a move. Okay, so my TP is $60 and my price is just hovering around to my break even. So we have a good hope for now. Okay, guys, you guys can join my for Butterview. You can just have a look on my live session on YouTube as well. So you guys can follow me on YouTube as well. It would be a great honor for me if you guys can follow me on YouTube. So thank you so much for being a part of the session as well on TikTok. And for the results, if the trade goes takes more time, then I will share the results of all of my three these trades into my WhatsApp channel. So there is a link in bio. You can click on the link, and then that's the way you can join my WhatsApp channel. And I will share the results by the as soon as I get close all of my these trades. So you guys already have witnessed this one on the live session. This is my real life account, and I'm trading live on these pairs. So I'm taking risk. Actually, I should not have open multiple positions. I should have to be very careful. But okay, no problem. We can take the chance. See, these two are just moving along my break even. Okay. So guys, crypto is, it's very volatile. Be very safe. Do your own research. Don't follow my trades. And yeah, that's what I should have to mention this again. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial expert. I'm not an expert trader. So just do your own research. And yeah, if you want to learn how to do that, I am here for you guys. I'm here to guide you. So yeah, you guys can click on the link in bio to register yourself with this trade as this exchange as well. So you will be awarded 50 free USDT upon registration as well. So that's the money you can utilize to perform a live like without using your money. You can use that bonus amount for future trade as well. So yeah, it's a good thing. Yeah, thank you. You guys can follow me on my WhatsApp channel as well. That would be a great honor for me, as well as on YouTube. If you follow my YouTube channel, that's a good support from you guys. So we are just started building community. So you guys will be like pioneers of my groups. So okay. So things are going right. Might be from here. If the market moves from, oh, my Mac battery is low. Okay. Should I have to? Oh, yeah, yeah. You already. Yeah, I understand. I have shared my previous day trades in the WhatsApp channel. If you have seen that, I sent like three, no, no, five, four, five, six trades. The trades I have shown you today. Yeah. Yeah, thank you so much. Well, if you are learning something, I really feel good for you actually, and it's a really I feel prayer to like guide you guys how to and what to like these two things, very basic things if you understand the market and understand the movements. Well, I have just figured it out like the movement of trend shifts. So that's one more thing you can just understand how the trend is shifting, how you can just figure it out. So yeah, see, it's just going back again. Yeah. Thank you, Sardar brother. I remember you just asked me like 2 3 days back to show you like my history. Well, nobody do that. Uh, it should not be done like that way, but okay, that's a way. Uh, don't give money to anybody. If somebody contacts you uh, with reference of anyone, so do your own research. It's very easy thing to do. I can do it. Anybody can do it. I always mention that. But that's totally depend upon you, how you decide how you want to take your profit, how much you want to lose in a one trade. So yeah, if you're gaining something, of course, on the other hand, you're losing also something. So even if you have seen like my live sessions, so I'm not drawing very much lines. Okay, here's the trend, here's the moment. I just follow like few basic things, and all of my most of my trades are going very well. So because I think more people are not just literate of trading stuff. So they don't want to learn this actually, but they want to make money. So the easiest way to learn, even when I started trading, like I have followed like multiple like various traders. They were just drawing the lines. Okay, so the trend is going up. Here's the line. So here's the TP. Here should be the stop loss. That was just giving me panic, and I would not be able to understand their languages at that time. So I want people to just make a discipline and just keep following that. Anybody can do that. Even I think even the like kids can do that if they make a like just strategy and discipline that. Yesterday I have made just $200, I think. $240 almost. I shared my that profit in my WhatsApp group as well. But that just shows the percentage of the trade. And today I have just shown all of my previous history. So I'm from Pakistan, but I'm living in Thailand from last more than 4 years now. So yeah, basically I'm from Thailand now. Okay, so things are just falling down. Mention. Uh, Very basic thing to understand, brother. Sardar, brother, you need to just understand, okay, uh, first, first of all, just start using the trading view. What is trading view? Trading view gives you stocks, gold, crypto, and all of the trading stuff. You just learn first the moment you just understand the market. Most of people even don't know about the candles, like what is the candle. So like it's what does green candle means, what does red candles means. So basic things just try to learn. Okay, even when I started trading, I was very confused, like what's going on, like what are these red and green things. So just start doing on demo accounts. You can create your demo account, that's called paper account on TradingView. And most of exchanges giving you an opportunity to create demo accounts as well. So if you create your demo account, just they give you a demo money. So that's the way you just can have a understanding of the market and how you decide to take the trade. So understanding of leverage and in crypto futures, understanding of leverage and margin, that's two basic things you need to just have a you just need to understand. People don't know even like how uh, to calculate their liquidity, and what is cross, what is isolated, and there are like very few things to understand to start crypto futures. And even if you have like few months of experience, not few months of, even few days of experience of just having a look on the interfaces, so you can just learn crypto futures maybe in few hours, just like maybe 2 3 4 hours. But I just want to make a video. I I think I'm planning to make um yeah, basics of crypto futures. So I would love to make some videos on that. I will share later on the TikTok and YouTube shorts as well. So short videos can give you a good idea. Okay, where to click, how to click. So yeah. And if you want to add your real money, I suggest you to just learn it first. And if you want to use free money, so click on the link in bio. So you can register yourself with this exchange. So they are just offering you 50 free USDT. So you can just place one trade with that, and that's the real money. You can make profit on top of that. No, no, I did not take any courses. No, no. I have like paid for a forex group for once, but I did not took any course. I just learned from losing money. So yeah, that's what I did. Guys, actually, yeah, let me charge my system. It's not the big thing to learn actually. It's the time you spend on that, and control on your emotions. That's it. Two basic things. You can understand how to trade. Okay, let me show you this screen actually. My system battery is actually low. So okay, so this trade is just not going right for now, but no worries. We are not worried about it. Okay. So three of my trades are in negative now, but just near to my break even, all of them. So I'm not worried about all at all. TP is just $11 and loss is also $11. Okay. Even I know few people like they don't know even how to create their accounts, which is like very basic thing. So I created like few accounts of my friends um, by my hand. Okay, just click on that, and now they are just started doing trading and just making small profit every day instead of like making fortune overnight. So which is not possible. Okay, favorites. That's not a good sign. Is BTC falling? BTC, yes. BTC is just giving us the shock waves. Okay. I hope BTC would not cross the 90,000 mark, and if it will cross that, then we will be in trouble. ARKM. Okay. That's ARKM. That's what, well, I have just opened the position in Astra, I think. Yes. Oh, I just grabbed the bottom, but still things are not in favor. But I will show you the results of these trades uh, in my WhatsApp channel as well. Of as soon as I just close these trades. Just what just happened? Even BTC is not moving much. I don't know. why the coins are just well, this is a good sign for intelligence. Not intelligence, you just but do your own research. That's but it's the right time I think to open the oh very small coin. Okay, and it's all guys again every 4 days. So see which price 1 cent to 2 cent. Wow, then 3 cents. Wow, what a big bump. We just missed this. No problem. Okay, favorite. Okay, I think bonk. Just back. What's going to we will be making profit. All yeah, let's for more to because you in the section or if it's anything just strategy this body so put yourself with as my friend as well.